Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a charity website, NGO website with WordPress and Elementor page builder. Now let's continue design our home page, and our next section is these feature causes. This is a project list, feature projects, or here from our web design concern. Here from WordPress it is a featured products, featured WooCommerce products. So we have to design the WooCommerce products first. So for that, let's go to WooCommerce. Yeah, let's set up the WooCommerce first. Okay. We can set up the WooCommerce without this setup wizard, but it is easier to follow the step-by-step wizard. And this is other charity donation and maybe these two products, but actually yeah, we're not going to use these two products, but select it anyway. And we are not going to use these premium services of WooCommerce. How many products? About 1 to 10. We will not have much projects, and if you want to project lots of hundreds of projects, then you can choose lots. But for us, for me, in this video we'll design about 3 to 4 projects causes. No, continue. Okay, now we'll use this 2021 theme. But yeah, here's another thing. Actually, we can try a free WooCommerce theme instead of 2021. If we use a WooCommerce theme, we can skip designing the product page. We can design the product with Elementor, but we can skip that if we use if we inherit the layout and design everything from the theme. Anyway, let's still use this 2021 theme. No thanks. Okay, settings. Yeah, and then sell to all countries. Selling locations you have to select here. By default it is all countries, and shipping and all, we do not need here. This is for collecting donations, and we are not going to sell physical products. Currency, by default it is US dollar, so I want to use Indian rupee. Left position, okay. Accept changes. Products, so page off. Redirect to cart page after successful addition, yes. And we would need review, accept changes. Payments, okay. We have to set up the UPI for me, and if you want to use PayPal, set up the PayPal. That's not complicated. You just have to enter your PayPal email. And same here, I just have to insert my UPI ID. And our charity, WP charity. Accept changes. And emails. And this is very important here. This is very important, these emails, because this is not a online shop. Yeah, we are using the e-commerce online shop tool, but this is not exactly a shop but a donation fundraising website. So instead of this content default Elementor Woocommerce contains emails. Templates are meant for selling, sales. So instead of change to sell, the keywords such as sales has to be changed to donations, or like something like that. Instead of thanks for buying this in that, instead thanks for donating this, something like that. So buying and selling should be changed to donating and donations. Okay, and you do that, and let's start adding products. Add new. Freedom from hunger, project name, or fundraising project name, and donation starting 100 rupees. Add that 100 every increment amount. You can add tag hunger, poverty, food, nutrition, etc. and set product image. Okay, and category, yeah, just set a category for, yeah, fundraising or any name of the category. That's depend on you. Fundraising for food, something like that. Publish it. Then let's duplicate this to another product. Say let's call it freedom from coal, category fundraising for clothes. Poverty, coal, clothes, dress, etc. Just leave it. Price, okay, you can make a difference, for example 150, and publish it. For adding the details to this fundraising project, you will have to design this product, WooCommerce product, in Elementor. As I have mentioned before, if we inherit a very beautiful WooCommerce product page, yeah, we can skip this and that step, but since this is a donation website and we do not have a beautiful Woo product layout, and we do not have any other Woo product designing tools or plugins, we have to depend on Elementor and the available basic widgets. So let's do that in the later part of this video series. For now, let's continue to design the layouts of the front page in other basic static contents. Say freedom from ignorance, fundraising for education, poverty, education, literacy, school, etc. Publish it. Now we have 3 products or 3 projects, donation projects. Then we can continue design our home page. Edit with Elementor. Let's copy this background color too. Okay. It's a little slow. Loading. Okay, here in this section what it has is this height 2 element, then this height 6 element, then this who product list widget, then a button. Oh, there is something wrong here. Oh yeah. For this who product list, we will use a widget from Sinai extension for Elementor. Seriously? Okay. There is some, yeah. Let's insert one column section. Vertical align middle, style, background color, solid tab color. Then paste the one that we have picked up with ColorZilla. Then advance. Let's set padding about 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom, like this. Then let's copy this. Copy, paste it, center align, pixel causes, then copy this, paste it here, center align. We listen, we advise some same here. Okay, then leave it. Then next is product. Whoa. Okay. Pause. Sign up blog post. Sign up. Post carousel. Sign up post step. Okay, let's try this widget. I see. With the sign up free version, we do not have any related in the widgets. I see. It is only for the post. It is not working. Sena content board, Sena accordion, Sena dynamic, Sena pricing, Sena transform, Sena banner slider, Sena content slider. Okay, we do not have it. That's okay. We can design the same thing with inner sections. I just wanted to skip the steps. Let's add margin about 40. Sorry, margin should be added on this section itself. Margin about 40 at the top. Okay, then what we have here, an image and text, some text. First, let's put the image here. Okay, and here section setting, column gap, no gap. Then column setting, background color white, and margin about 10 on the left, 10 on the right. Okay, and let's come back here to the image. Actually we can use a smaller image, but anyway I have this one already uploaded, and let's use this. Yeah, then send a fancy text, send a fancy text. Counter, I see. Goal, let's just say what, just a small amount, let's just say 1 lakh. Goal, okay, right. So start. Typography, reduced size to about 20 or maybe 25. Rise. Goal is this. Then title of the project. Okay, let's use this. Heading element, widget, centered. And what about h4? Okay, let's call it freedom from hunger. Then another button, widget, center, large, donate, donate now something, and let's link to freedom from hunger product page. Okay, that's because I do not have add to cart widget. All these add to cart widgets are from Elementor Pro. I do not have the option. And here I can add sorry, Control Z. Okay, in this button I can add margin about 40 at the bottom. Okay, this margin I can add as a padding on the column itself also, so that works just same like this. And margin at the top to what about 20. Okay, something like this. And image, instead of square image we can use rectangular image like this. Yeah, it looks better. So we can duplicate this column and delete the other blanks, duplicate once again, delete the others. Okay, now we have this. Then we can change these details. So rise about, we have rise about 5,000, just say, and our target is 2,50,000, something like this. And this project is freedom from call. Sorry. Okay, and donation, link this to call, freedom from call. Okay, like that. And same here, link this to freedom from ignorance, freedom from ignorance, and project name is freedom from ignorance. And rise about, we have rise about 15,000, and target is 3 lakhs, something like that. Then another button here, bring up the navigation, drop it here, and this button, seriously. Okay, now that's it. Margin about 50 at the top, like this, and center, more projects, or all causes, whatever, all causes or all projects, and link this to project space, and style typography, style decoration, transform, sorry, decoration underline, and color black, sorry, This background color should be transparent and text color should be black, like this, like this. Over color, we can use the big color is free, yellow, copy it, change the color here, something like this. Or instead of that, change the color here to yellow, like this. Okay, and we have designed this picture causes section. Yeah, and there were lots of twists and turns because of the limitation of the widgets. What we have done, we designed this project list or product list widget section. We designed it using image, counter, heading and button. So we use 4 types of widgets to design this box, content box. Yeah, instead of designing this content box using any content box widget like Elementor default, image box widget or China extensions, China content box, I use separate widgets because mainly this content here, race and goal, with 2 different elements. By default we do not have this option. What we have by default with other content box widgets is that title at the first here and below is a description. So yeah, we can do it with a description. Let me show you that. If you want to do that, you can also do that. So let me show you how to do that. Content box, icon box, China content box, so image box. So yeah, this is the one. We can exit the same thing. So let's just say freedom from hunger, and here rice, goal, sorry, so let's add a break with and goal, voila. Okay, something like this, and style. Oh, seriously, it does not even have buttons. Style, image white, 100%. Okay, you got it. And content, title, typography size 25. Okay, and line height, let's increase to about 1.5 or more to get the space. And description, oh, there is spacing too instead of the line height. And padding, typography, let's try line height it doesn't work. So let's try padding, but 40. Oh yeah, padding, it works like that. And since there is no button itself, we have to add a button. Copy this, paste it here, and remove the padding, I guess. Okay, something like this. Yeah, this is a compromise too. So let's delete this one too. Let's delete this. And next is Sena content box. Sena content box, we can use this widget too. Okay, Sena content box, image, choose image, and project title, freedom from hunger, print like that, raise, break, goal, like that, button, donate, link to hunger, freedom from hunger page. Okay, like that. Yeah, you can achieve the same thing with what we have done at the first place. The only difference is there is this numbering counter animation. and we can have different colors and size for this race and goal, but here you cannot have different color and size here. Okay, that's not absolute. You can have different color and size here itself in this widget too, but you have to go for custom CSS, and that's not what we want. What we want is less troublesome and easy. Image as corner image, size 100%, sorry, 100%, percent, 100%. Okay, and there is box, lots of paddings here. I think I have done some same thing here other previous videos. So remove the left padding, right padding, even the top padding too, like this. And in the image itself there is this padding, remove this. Okay, there is this. And content, okay, color sense, here, like that. Same for the button, color sense, like that. And size, padding about 68, sorry, 20 at the top, 60 at the left, 20 at the bottom, 60 at the, yeah, something and last, like that. Yeah, we can accept the same thing. As I mentioned before, only the difference is this counting animation and different color or size of these two rays and gold, two types of contents. That it. Let's preview this. I think we are done for this video. It took lots of times. It took a lot of time on this section because of we have also set up the WooCommerce. Yeah. That's it. This for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. You find it helpful. Yeah, I am trying to help with these available free tools to get our desired layout. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish everyone out there is safe and sound. See you in the next video.